time to go over to Seoul at the Weather Center for the latest forecast. Hi there.
Hi, Sean. Happy 개천절.
Happy 개천절 to you too. And I bet you probably don't know what the weather was like when our nation was founded, but I bet you do know how it's going to look tomorrow.
Of course, Sean. And I can tell you it's going to be another excellent autumn day with mainly clear skies spreading across the nation. But approaching the afternoon, clouds should increase a little bit. Now, I can imagine that many would love to take in some nature on National Foundation Day, and the perfect place would be Mount Seorak, where the leaves are already changing colors. But you'll have to gear yourselves up for the chilly mornings and nights. And this actually goes for everywhere throughout the nation, because the capital Seoul and Gwangju will start off at a chilly 14 degrees but rise to 25 later on. Similar in Daegu, while Busan will range from 16 to 24 degrees. And moving to other places, Daejeon's mercury levels will be far apart again. Jeju Island and Dokdo's not that much. Mount Kumgang's low drops to a cold 2 degrees and will hit 15 later on. And now let's move on to the international weather. One tropical storm after the other in the West Pacific. This time, two of them appeared on the same day on the 1st of October. The 19th typhoon of the year, Maliksi, is on its way to the eastern coast of Japan. The 20th, Gemi, is slowly moving towards China. Now, both of them are relatively small and weak storms, but they could intensify. Now, Tokyo will see some effects starting tomorrow with light, steady rain, and Manila is already under the indirect influence of Gemi. However, Beijing, Islamabad, and New Delhi will be on the sunny side. Further south, a fair amount of rain is in store for Port Moresby. Down under, it'll get very warm in Sydney again with a daytime high in the upper 20s. Wellington will just make it to the upper teens, which, however, is a slight rise. Very different weather conditions across North America. In some areas, you wouldn't realize it's October without looking at the calendar, like in Los Angeles, where it's hotter than usual. Some regions far up north are even seeing snow already, and elsewhere it's going to be rainy in Montreal and Chicago. New York and Washington have chances of thunderstorms that may even be severe. Down south, still no big temperature fluctuation for Bogota or Lima, both of which will rise to the high teens, although Lima expects much more sun. It'll also shine to its fullest in Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, and Santiago. A low-pressure trough in Europe is going to lead to showers in Moscow, London, and Paris. Berlin should be spared of those and should enjoy mild readings. While Rome and Madrid will be just fine at around the mid-20s, the heat continues southeast, for instance in Athens. And same goes for much of Africa, of course, especially for Tripoli, but much cooler far south in Cape Town. The daytime high this Wednesday will peak at 17, with the sun hiding mostly behind clouds. And that completes the weather forecast for now.
That's Late Night Edition at this hour. I'm Sean Lim. Thanks for watching.